It's that time, guys. Solar Smash. You ready? Mother Nature, I'm coming for you. Are you ready? Okay, fine. We're gonna do it, because I had enough. So, you want to rain on me, huh? Let me show you something. You don't mess with me. I don't know what this is, but it's gonna get destroyed. I just blew up the moon. That was kind of fun. But I'm not done yet. So, here's your stupid rain. You like rain? Huh? You like rain? No. No one ain't gonna be left out. No, everybody likes rain, huh? Here's your stupid rain. Not good enough? Fine. Let me show you something else. Where is it? I gotta find it, and then you're gonna get your just desserts. Here. You wanna mess with me, Mother Nature? Here's my severe storm from me to you. Yeah. How do you like it? Huh? You like it? Yeah. I told you can't mess with me. You're gonna get your just desserts. Yeah. Yeah, huh? You like that? Huh? You like that? I told you. No one messes with Steve K here today. Especially when you get your just desserts. I told you. You don't mess with me. Yeah, you shut up. We don't care about it. Okay, I'm back. See? That's what happens when you mess with Steve K here today. Don't mind the ad, I got rid of it. See? I'm a force of nature too, Mother Nature. You can't beat me. And you never will. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I'm cringy. Who cares? Well, we're going to do it a different way. We're going to just dissect Mother Nature. Not our home Earth. No. This is from me to Mother Nature's stupid planet that deserves to get wrecked. You want to mess with me, huh? Well, how about this? Where is it? How about I blow up the sun? There. How you like it? Mother Nature blows up you. Exactly. You can't mess with me. I blew you out of existence. I told you can't mess with me. Yeah. I told you I mess you up. Well, okay, I'm done with this one.
Hey.
Okay, I'm back. I had to get rid of that stupid ad. Yeah, we're back, and no, we're not choosing Earth no more. Mother Nature's got tortured here enough. So you know what we're gonna do? Let's find out, shall we? Where is it? That looks pretty cool, but maybe another time. Just trying to find the perfect planet to wreck. You know what? Let's go for this one. This is the ice planet. There is no life on it whatsoever. Oops, my bad. Let me fix that. There's no life on here whatsoever. It's just a frozen planet, more like a globe of ice, and the sun's even icy. So guess what? We're gonna do something different now. We're gonna summon this. A ghost that just pretty much dissected it. Now we're gonna send the worms. Or the squids. And then we'll summon the worms. Come on, worms. You're hungry. Go eat. Eat this planet alive. You're hungry? Go eat. Eat that planet. Feast on your frozen planet. There's your slushy. Isn't it delicious? Yeah. Eat up, boys. Isn't it delicious? A nice frozen planet to dissect? No, not good enough? How about a couple dragons? Okay, I don't know what that was. Oh, it's a dog. Wow, they brought a dog to the mix. Here's our dragon. An army of dragons. Show them how it's done. Now this earth is being, not this earth, this planet's being dissected by me because I'm picturing this as Mother Nature's head. How much I despise her. And if that ain't good enough, fine. How about this? There. That ain't good enough. No. What was that all about? That was a waste. It's doing something, I don't know what, but... Okay, it's shooting at it. I don't know what good that did. You know, I need to stop fiddling around and just blow it to pieces. I'm done being nice. Time to blow this thing to pieces. Say hello and goodbye. You are gone. Let's go. Blow it up. No? Wow. First time ever, huh? Fine. I'm gonna have the ghost finish the job for me. Blow it up. Get rid of it. Good. There. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, we're still on the frozen planet. Yeah, nothing to really look at. But the question is, will the frozen handle what I can do here? Does it do anything? It does a lot. It made it explode. Well, there you go. Okay, guess we'll do this. That was it? Okay. That was a waste. What does this do? Okay, that blew that up. Well, oh, no. I'm not done yet. Now I'm done. Blow it to pieces. See? Now I'm done. Now shut up. Oh boy. Yeah. Big guy. Alright, there you go. We're gonna go for a cool planet this time because I'm bored of the same planets. We're gonna go to Aphrodite gas dwarf, the purple planet right here. Look how pretty this planet looks. Nice and purple. It's got, looks like Saturn. This is an awesome planet. But Mother Nature, you done me wrong so many times. Now you know what happens when people do me wrong? I mean, not people. You know what happens when Mother Nature does me wrong? You want to know what happens? Here. You just made the list. Exactly. See, guys? I told you, I'm a force of nature too. Don't mess with me. Now, what else can we do? What else can we destroy? You know what? Hades looks like a pretty messed up planet. I mean, look at it. Looks like Saturn, but it's got a rocky, weird, oops. Don't mind that. I messed up. Sorry. Alright, I'm back. Here. See? Looks like Saturn, but a lot of asteroids surrounding this planet. You know what I'm going to call this? Mother Nature's brain. This is what Mother Nature's brain looks like when she messes with the wrong person. And I'll show you why. So, you want to mess with me, Mother Nature? Well, I got something for you. Hey, like this. Well, I didn't do much. I didn't do much. Well, let's see how's this one. Well, it did some damage. How about this? That ain't much. How about this? Alright. I'm shooting moons. Let's shoot moons at the moon. Well, I blew it up. Hooray. But that's not good enough. I'll show you why. Here. Now, it's completely destroyed. Compliments of me get rid of the problem early, and you're gone. Load up. Come on. Exactly. Whatever's there, it's gone. Check it out. It's northern lights when you blow up the sun. Oh, you need to look pretty. Huh? Yeah, it's pretty when you get charred up by the sun, but whatever. Other than that, I made my point crystal clear. I'm going to the main menu. Without further ado, there you go. Steve K here today was a force of Mother Nature. Was a force of... Here. Hold on. I was a force of nature that Mother Nature could never beat me at anything. See? Solar smash. What did Steve do? Right here. Right here. That's Mother Nature's brain when I destroyed it. Because she deserved it. Mother Nature, you got your just desserts. Don't you dare rain on me next week, you turd. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I got even with Mother Nature and I proved it. Yeah. Exactly. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, goodbye. All right, till the next video. Bye.